Today we are going to discuss about the slave dynasty. The slave dynasty or the Mamluk or the Ghulam dynasty was a dynasty of northern India established by Qutbuddin Aibak. The Mamluk refers to the non-Arabic, ethnically diverse slave soldiers and freed slaves who were given military and administrative duties in Arab dynasties, mostly in Egypt but also in India, Iraq and Levant. In the year 1206, Sultan of Ghor, that is Muhammad Ghori, was assassinated and eventually his empire split into small sultanates. One of his generals was Qutbuddin Aibak, who became Sultan of Delhi, and thus it was the beginning of the slave dynasty. Aibak was the first sultan who reigned from 1206 to 1210. He made Lahore his capital, consolidated control over North India, and initiated construction of Quwwatul Islam Mosque and Qutub Minar. In 1210, he died due to an accident. Aram Shah was the second sultan of slave dynasty who reigned from 1210 to 1211 as a group of nobles named Chihalgani invited Iltutmish to replace Aram. He was defeated in the plain of Jud near Delhi in 1211. Shamsuddin Iltutmish was the third sultan who reigned from 1211 to 1236. He shifted his capital to Delhi, defeated Nasiruddin Kabacha of Multan and Tajuddin Yildiz of Ghazni. He consolidated his hold in northern India by taking many of the lost territories. He built Hauz-e-Shamsi Reservoir and Sultan Ghari first Islamic mausoleum. Fourth Sultan was Rukn Uddin Firoz, son of Iltutmish, who reigned from April 1236 to November 1236. On November 9, 1236, he was assassinated by Chihalgani. After that, Razia al-Din, daughter of Iltutmish, who reigned from 1236 to 1240. She was the first female Muslim ruler. Her association with African Jamal ud-Din Yaqut provoked racial antagonism amongst the nobles, who thereby resented the rule of a female monarch. She married Malik al-Tunia. On 14th of October 1240, the couple fell into the hands of Jats, who robbed and killed them. Muiz ud-Din Bahram defeated the forces of Razia and Malik with the help of Chihalgani and reigned as a sultan from 1240 to 15th May 1242. During his reign, Chihalgani became disorderly. During this period, Mongols invaded Punjab and sacked Lahore. Bahram was weak and thus Chihalgani besieged him in White Fort of Delhi and put him to death in 1242. Alauddin Masood was seventh in the line, who reigned from 1242 to 1246. He was merely a puppet in hands of Chihalgani and became infamous for his love of wine and entertainment. Nasiruddin Mahmud, grandson of Iltutmish, defeated Alauddin Masood. He reigned from 1246 to 1266. He was very religious and renowned for aiding the poor. His deputy sultan primarily dealt with state affairs. After Nasiruddin, it was Ghiyat ud-Din Balban who reigned from 1266 to 1287. He ruled with an iron fist, broke up Chihalgani group, established peace and order in northern India, and built many outposts in areas of disorders. He also established an efficient espionage system. Last and final was Muizuddin Muhammad Kaikabad, who reigned from 1287 to 1290. He ignored all state affairs. Eventually, he suffered paralytic stroke and was murdered by a Khalji in 1290. Slave dynasty ended with the rise of Khaljis.